I got this SaunaSpace Super Sauna in my apartment, and I have to tell you, this sauna has brought about a powerful shift for me and so many others. The modern lifestyle dims our radiance in so many ways with its stress, overworking, toxins, and lack of connection to nature. Including this sauna in my routine is the perfect way to reclaim radiant health. Here's what I really love about this sauna. It combines heat, a full spectrum of red and near infrared light therapy, and grounding all into one simple ritual. This combination is so supportive for mitochondrial health and healing. The SaunaSpace Super Sauna feels effortless and pleasurable to use every day. It genuinely feels like sitting next to a fire, warm, grounding, and deeply relaxing. Its unique flicker-free FireLight spectrum delivers red light for radiant skin and near-infrared wavelengths for cellular regeneration and healing deep inside the body. If you need a sauna in your life, this is the one. Order your SaunaSpace Super Sauna today.